Should I keep Google search partners enabled? Did you know this sneaky setting could be burning your Google Ads budget? So when you run Google Ads search campaigns, this setting is often overlooked and is switched on by Google by default. Traffic from these search partners can be way lower quality than Google Ads itself. Think less engaged users and more wasted clicks that don't convert. For most small businesses, you want people actively searching for you. Focus your ad spend where user intent is highest, that is on Google search directly. Go to your campaign settings, find networks, and then uncheck include Google search partners. Should I mix Google Ads display network with my search campaigns? That's a very big mistake. You might think including the Google display network in your search campaigns give you more reach, but it's usually a budget killer. Search ads target high intent users actively looking for something, while display ads are visual and appear when people are just browsing. Mixing them means more budget for high intent searchers get wasted on low intent browsing. It's like trying to catch fish with a butterfly net. Always create a separate dedicated campaign for the display network if you want to use it. How do I stop my Google ads from showing in random mobile apps? Ever wonder why your ad budget vanishes without any good leads? It might be those sneaky automatic mobile app placements. Google often puts your ads in all sorts of apps, including random games your kids might be playing. Think accidental taps, junk clicks, and zero chance of a sale or leads for your business. It's a huge budget drain for no return. So protect your money, go to your campaigns, placements, then exclusions, and then add the mobile category to block all mobile apps or exclude specific irrelevant categories. Stop paying for those accidental taps. Which ad rotation setting is best for Google Ads? This Google Ads default setting could be hiding your best performing ads. Optimize prefer performing ads sounds smart, right? But Google often optimizes for clicks, not necessarily conversions. This means if ad A gets lots of clicks but few sales, and ad B gets fewer clicks but more sales, Google will push ad A more. You need equal data to see which ad truly makes you money. So change your ad rotation to do not optimize ads rotating indefinitely. This gives all your ad copy a fair shot at proving its worth with actual conversions. Are broad match keywords a good idea for Google Ads? Broad match keywords can be a budget black hole for small businesses. While they offer wide reach, Google's interpretation of closely related can be super broad. So if you sell vintage watches, your ad might show for watch a movie or kids smartwatch. Totally irrelevant. Every click costs you money, even if it has zero chance of converting. For most businesses, especially beginners, the risk of wasted spend is too high. So stick to more controlled options like phrase or exact match. So dive deeper into protecting your ad budget. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.